everyone, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a clean with me. This is my office at work. We have a kitchen and an office and a bathroom, and we used to pay someone to do the cleaning, and I said, you know what, I can do that myself. So about once a week I clean everything. So this office is not what you would consider modern or fancy. The kitchen is seriously kind of a mess as far as decor goes. But it just goes to show that it doesn't matter what your space looks like. As long as it's clean, you can feel good about your space. And I mean, look at that turquoise carpet. Come on now. But I just like it to be clean, and it doesn't matter what it looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect. Whatever space you're living in right now, just make it clean, make it work for you. And, you know, fortunately I don't live here. This is just where I work. But I just like it to be clean and look nice, and it doesn't matter that the tile is hideous and that the wallpaper doesn't match, and oh, this wood paneling, come on, you know that's everything, and that orange countertop and yellow sink, but it's fine. As long as it's clean, then I can feel good about the space that I'm working in every day. So I hope you enjoy this little clean with me. I hope you all have a really great day. Thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed. It really does mean a lot to me. Every single subscription, when that number goes up, I just get excited, and I really do appreciate that. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and hit that little bell, and that way you'll be notified when I do upload new videos. And if you give this video a thumbs up, that really helps me too. And I appreciate all of your support, and have a good one.